Hi, welcome to Tech Corner with Tom Jr. My name is Ukeme Tom, and in today's edition we are going to look at 10 interesting facts about Microsoft Excel that you probably never knew. Now, Microsoft Excel was created in 1985 by Charles Simonyi. There are over 17 billion cells, over a million rows, and 16,384 columns in one worksheet of Microsoft Excel. It will take 454 years to fill each cell by one cell per second. Now, there are over 500 keyboard shortcuts in Microsoft Excel, 475 formulas and 450 functions in Microsoft Excel. You can undo as many as the last 100 actions performed in Microsoft Excel, and then it is impossible to rename a worksheet history in Microsoft Excel. Now let's check out how that fact goes. Now we are here to verify the facts. Okay, so we are starting with the number of columns. Okay, you go to a new worksheet and type =count blank, and then press your tab to select that, and then press the right arrow key, and then press Ctrl key and the Shift key. Holding that, you press the right arrow key again, and then press the close your brackets and hit enter. Now this is the number of columns from this B going downwards. Okay, without adding this A. So if I add this to this, now it becomes 16,384 columns. So let's verify that 16,384 columns, that's correct. Now for the number of rows, since the rows are already numbered numerically, so you just need to go to the last row and then find out which number is there. So you press the Ctrl key and the down arrow key, and it takes you to the last row in the worksheet. So let's use the magnifier to see what number is there. So it is 1,048,576. So 1,048,576. Okay, let's go and verify that. Now let's go back home. 1,048,576 is correct. Now let's find out number of cells. For the number of cells, you use the same method that you use to find out the number of columns. So you press the =count blank, press the tab key, and then press the right arrow key, and then you press Ctrl key, the Shift key, and press the right arrow key again, and then you press, still holding the Ctrl key and the Shift key, you press the down arrow key, and then you close your bracket and hit enter. Now this is the number of cells from B going forward. So if I add the number of rows, which was, okay, let's go to the last and find out, which was 1,048,576. Okay, so we add that, we say =1,048,576 plus the existing number of cells there. All right, it gives you 17,179. now let's copy that to the other cell, to the other worksheet, and find out if it is the same. So you copy that, you come here and paste. Now since you want to paste only the values without pasting the formula, so you press the Ctrl key, the Alt key, and V. Now it brings out paste special. So what do you want to paste? Only the values, so you paste the values. Now this is it. Okay, let's increase the font to see, to make sure that it is okay. Now see, it's the same. All right, so let's add some commas there too. All right, it's 17,179,869,184. So it's correct. Now that fact is verified. Okay, now the last fact we want to verify is if you can rename a cell history in Microsoft Excel. Now let's double click on here and type history, and then hit enter. Now you see history is a reserved name in Microsoft Excel, which means you can't rename a worksheet history in Microsoft Excel. So let's return it back to new. Now that the facts that you need to know about Microsoft Excel. Thank you for watching. Watch out for our next video. Have a lovely